Hello, today we are going to talk about a tip and technique about how to use your flex tube and your sterile rectal nozzle more effectively to accommodate people of different sizes and shapes. First of all, when you have someone with a large body mass index or a large bottom and who may also be shorter, that means when they recline on the system, their body opening will be further away from the nozzle. So we need to naturally lengthen the flex tube and the nozzle toward them so that it can reach their body opening. First, we are going to connect the flex tube where the flex tube is just past the barb. It's about a ½ inch away from the back of the nylon nipple. This gives us extra length on the flex tube. And then we have the barb on the sterile nozzle itself, and it too will only be pushed in about halfway, so that we have about a ½ inch here and a ½ inch here, and together that gives us about an inch of length, so that when the larger body mass index person with a larger bottom sits up here, the nozzle can reach the body anal opening. Okay, for standard size, average size, and tall people, we are going to make sure that the flex tube pushes all the way back to the back of the nylon nipple where it's completely on. And then, similarly, we will push the sterile rectal nozzle all the way down into it to where it is flush up against the back of the blue rectal nozzle. So this is all the way down, this is all the way down. That way, this would accommodate most of your average size and taller individuals on your system. Now, at the end of your session, we are going to need to remove this, and of course I would have my personal protective equipment on, and I would actually cover this used rectal nozzle and flex tube with a paper towel, but for purposes of our tip and technique video today, I want you to be able to see what's actually taking place. Now, what we do not want to do is to rock the flex tube up and down, because you will then eventually, if not today, one day soon, you will break your nylon nipple and simply have to replace it. But what we are going to do is twist and pull straight back. And just to do that again, I'll slide it back on. You're going to twist and pull straight back. And if you pull straight back every time, straight back, you will never have a problem with your nylon nipple breaking. Okay, so thank you for joining us today and watching our tips and techniques on how to use your flex tube and sterile rectal nozzle more effectively to accommodate people of all sizes and shapes. Thank you.